Hello and welcome back once again to Jabby's Kitchen. Today I'm here with a recipe which most of us do not like, but it is a very healthy and a very nourishing dish. So let me cook in a new way by giving it a twist. So here I'm going to make Karela with gur, that is Karela which is nice and spicy but also sweet. So for that what we require is, this is 250 grams of Karela, that is bitter gourd. I have peeled it, I have removed the rough edges, I have removed the seeds, and I have cut in thin slices like this. This is 2 medium sized onions chopped, 1 tomato medium sized chopped, cumin powder, that is zira powder. This is peanuts which I have roasted and then crushed them. This is gur. Gur is also called as jaggery. Gur will kill the bitterness of the bitter gourd and it will give it a nice taste. And turmeric, red chili powder, that is Kashmiri chili powder, and salt to taste. So here in a pan I have boiled water, and to this boiled water I am going to add the bitter gourd, that is Karela. The boiling will remove the bitterness and sharpness of this Karela, and while boiling I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of salt to this. Salt and boiling water together removes the bitterness of the bitter gourd, that is Karela. So we will be boiling this for around 5 minutes and then we will strain off the water. You can see the water is boiling and even the color of this bitter gourd, that is Karela, has become transparent, if you can see properly. So we have boiled this for 5 minutes and it is more than enough. Even if you boil it for around 3 minutes, that is okay, because the Karela is almost done. Friends, Karela and bitter gourd is the same thing, so please do not get confused when I'm saying. Our Karela has boiled enough and it is looking quite good. The color has changed to transparent. So now we are going to remove this from flame. And strain the water out. And by the time I'm keeping my vessel to cook. So here you can see I have drained out all the water. So now in a clean pan we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil. And to this oil just around 2 pinch of cumin seeds. You can see the cumin seeds have started cracking, and now we are going to add the onions to this. We are going to fry the onions till they are pinkish brown in color. So friends, here you can see the onion has turned pinkish brown in color. So now it's time to add the tomatoes. Now once you've added the tomatoes, you can add the turmeric powder around 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder as per your taste, so I'm adding around 2 teaspoons, and salt as per the taste. Cumin powder 2 teaspoons, and fry all the masala very well. Now we are going to fry this till the onion and the tomato gets very soft and it gets nicely blended with each other and the oil starts leaving the sides. So just keep on frying it and side by side, even mash it with your spoon so that the masala is nicely blended. So friends, here you can see the masala is nicely frying. The oil has started leaving the sides. So give it a nice mix. And now you can add the crushed peanuts. This will give a nice crunch and nice taste to the Karela, that is bitter gourd. And you can add around 1/4 cup of water, just little bit. Close the lid and cook it for 2 minutes, and then we will add the remaining ingredients. So friends, it's 2 minutes and here you can see the masala has fried very nicely. The smell is very nice and very tempting. The peanut has changed the texture of the masala and it is really looking very awesome, very yummy. And now it's time to add, I'm going to add the Karela to this now. So fry the Karela nicely in the masala. Wow, can you imagine a dish like Karela can look so good? And I'm sure it will taste also very good. So please do not worry about that. This is my mother's recipe and I used to love when she used to make Karela. Otherwise I was not very fond of Karela, but the way she used to make it is not bitter at all and it has got that nice sweet and spicy taste. So I love the way she used to make, and here I am making it for y'all on the demand of my viewers. So after adding Karela, I'm going to add gur. This is jaggery, also called as gur. So now I'm going to add gur to this. The gur will melt itself in the masala, so do not worry about it. Just try to break it with hand. So you can add around 1 tablespoon of gur, or depending on your taste how much you like it. So this was almost 1 tablespoon. So fry it nicely, mix it well and let it fry in a medium flame so that the gur melts nicely. So friends, after adding gur, that is jaggery, to the Karela, I'm going to close and cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the gur melts and it leaves the sweetness nicely inside it. And then we are going to open the lid and fry it for more 2 to 3 minutes. So friends, let's see. Wow, you can see it's looking so nice. The color has turned up so nice. Wow, this is looking really beautiful. So now I'm going to fry this till this becomes dry, and believe me, this is looking so awesome. And the gur, that is the jaggery, has melted totally. So just fry this till it becomes dry. You can see the masala has got fried nicely, and this is really looking very awesome. Wow. So my Karela is ready in my mother's style, and I'm sure you all will love this. And do try this recipe and do let me know how did you like it, and please share me your feedbacks. If you have any suggestions, please do give, most welcome. And now let's dish this out quickly. So here my super tasty, super delicious Karela is ready, and it is looking awesome, and I have served this with chapati. And now it is my most favorite part to taste and tell you how it is. So wow, look at this. Believe me friends, I do not get the bitter feeling, that is karwa taste at all. It is just very tasty, and it is having that nice sweet and spicy taste with lot of flavor. The gur, that is jaggery, has given it a very awesome flavor. So altogether the combination of Karela and gur is very awesome, and I thank my mother for this recipe, and I request you all to please give me your feedback. How did you like it? Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Meet you very soon with another recipe on your demand in my style. So have a nice day. Bye bye.